So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Waqas and you're watching Waqastech. So guys, in this video I will show you how to use AI on Snapchat. Snapchat recently introduced the new feature AI tool in Snapchat. So without wasting any time, let's start video. Before moving to the videos, make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. Okay, as you can see, this is my Snapchat account and tap on chat. You can see appears on screen. Here are showing say hey to my AI. Tap on that. Okay, you can see appears on screen. Here are showing lot of options showing here. Basically this is the paid version that Snapchat introduced right now in Snapchat update. Okay, if you want to get the free trial, just tap on start 7-day free trial, and then after end the free trial you will pay to Snapchat to use AI on Snapchat. You can see appears on screen. Here are showing lot of things that you want to add in your Snapchat, like chat wallpapers and best friends. You can also choose them on your AI, and you can see appears on screen. Here are also showing custom app icon on Snapchat AI. Basically there are many new things that Snapchat introduced in AI update. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you will all know what's new in Snapchat AI and how to use Snapchat AI tool on Snapchat new update. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. Thanks for watching.